Alright, here I want to show you how you can construct an oblique object, how you can draw an oblique object. And an oblique object is an object in which a receding line is inclined at angle 45 degrees. As you can see on this object, this is the receding axis and it is inclined at angle 45 degrees to the horizontal. This line is on the horizontal line, is an horizontal line. So this line, and this line, they are all inclined at angle 45 degrees. So in this case, we are making use of a 45 degree set square. So I want to start with this. I will construct this object, then I will construct this object. So those are the two objects that I will construct here. Now let's start with this object. As you can see that the length here is 60 millimeters, this length is 50 millimeters, and the height is 45 or 20 millimeters. So what you need to do here, the first thing that you need to do is to draw a horizontal line. Then you take your 45 degree set square and draw this line. As you can see that the receding line, this line is on this side. Then you draw a vertical line. So you take your set square. This is my 45 degree set square. That's what we are using because the angle at which the receding line inclined to the horizontal is 45 degrees. So you draw a vertical line here. Now after drawing this vertical line, we take the measurement. So we are going to take the measurement. Alright, so here we have 60 millimeters. Take measurement of 60 millimeters here. And then you take a measurement of 50 millimeters on this side. Then you take a measurement of 20 millimeters on this vertical line. Alright, so for this point, this line that we have to draw here is parallel to this line. So you draw this one with your T square. So you draw it to this side. Then you take your 45 degree set square. So you bring it to this point. So you draw this line. Then, so you come here. So you draw a vertical line. Like this. Draw a vertical line. Now, so take your 45 degree set square and move it to this point. Move it to this point, so you produce this to this side. Then we are supposed to have a vertical line here. So at this point where we have 50, so draw a vertical line. Then you take your T square to this point and you draw this line, which is horizontal line. So we have completed the object partially. So we need to bring out the visible outlines with the use of thick continuous line. So I'm using my black pen to bring out the visible outlines. Okay. And then we move to the vertical. We're almost done. And last one is this. Alright, so this is it. So we have constructed the object. So this line, as seen in the diagram, is inclined at angle 45 degrees. So this is a receding line. So now for this line, and for this line, we use our 45 degree set square to produce them. So while this line is an horizontal line, this is also an horizontal line, and this is horizontal line. This line is vertical, is a vertical line, this is a vertical line, this is a vertical line. So this is an oblique object. So let me construct the other one. Alright, this is the object that we want to construct. So let's look at the dimensions. So we have to take our time to study dimensions. So we have this receding line. It is inclined at angle 45 degree. Distance from this point to this point is 60 millimeters. From here to here is 10 millimeters. From this point here to this point here is 65 millimeters. From here to here is 10. From this point to this point is 20 millimeters as written here. From here to here is 10 millimeters, and from here, so from here to here is 5 millimeters. That's from here to here is 5 millimeters. And then from here to here is 20, from here to here is 25. So you have to take note of the dimensions. And also we are told that from here to here is 5 millimeters. Let me put it here so that you are seeing it as I'm constructing it. So let it be on this side. It's going to disturb me. Okay, now the first thing that you need to do here is to draw this horizontal line. Then if you look at the receding line, it starts from this side. This is it, we can see it. So meaning that I have to take my 45 degree set square, then I produce this line like this. Then I will draw a vertical line at this point. So turning my set square like this, I draw a vertical line. Then as we have here, that this is 60 millimeters, and then here we have what we have 10. This is horizontal line, this is the horizontal line, horizontal line, horizontal line, horizontal line, horizontal line. So this is also horizontal line. So I will take 10 from here to here. Then I will take what? Total is 65. Then I will take 10 from here to here. Then I will come to the end of this 65 and take 10 to this side so that I can produce this. Then from here to here is 20. So let me show you how you are going to do that. So we take a measurement of 60 millimeters on this side from this point. Take a measurement of 60 millimeters. This is 60 millimeters. Here now. Then on this horizontal line, I will take 65 millimeters. On this horizontal line, I will take 65 millimeters. So this is 65. This is 65 millimeters. So then I will take 10. So this is, I'll take 10 millimeters. 10 millimeters from here to here. And 10 millimeters from here, I will take 10. So this is 10 millimeters. So at this point, I will draw a vertical line. At this point, I will draw a vertical line. Like this. Then I come here, draw a vertical line. At this point, I will draw a vertical line. At this point, you draw a vertical line. Then, so we take a measurement. So total from here to here. So from here to here is 20, from here to here is 20, and from here to here is 10, so that is 30. So I take a measurement of 30 millimeters here. 30 millimeters to this point, then I will take 10 down. So I will come here and draw. So I draw a horizontal line from here to here. Then, so from here, I will draw from this point, so I will draw this line. So what I've done here is that I've gotten this face, and I've gotten this face from here to here. So I need to bring out this one, and so I come to this point. So I come here, as we have here, that from here to here, from here to here, from here to here, or from here to here is 20 millimeters. So I take a measurement of 20 from this point. So this is 20 millimeters. Then I will come here and take 20 millimeters from here to here. So this is 20. Then I will produce a vertical line at this point. Produce a vertical line at this point. Then also come here, produce a vertical line. Then I will take a measurement of 5 millimeters, as we have here that from here to here is 5 millimeters. So take a measurement of 5 millimeters. Then at this point I will draw the horizontal line like this. Then so the next thing that I need to do is that, so we are told that the height from here to here is 30. From here to here is 30. So I've already taken that 30 from here to here. So what I need to do is that with my 45 degree set square, I will transfer it backward. Here is it. So it goes to this point. Then at this point, so we have this line. This line goes backward like this, and we also have this line. So I will transfer them. So I will draw them backward like this. Then with my 45 degree set square, I bring it to this point. I will draw this. Then I will come to this point. I will transfer this backward. Then I will come to this point here. With my 45 degree set square, I will produce it backward. Now, then the next thing is I will come to this point. At this point, I will draw a horizontal line. So it goes like this. When you get to this line, you stop it there. Then you take your set square, you draw a vertical line at this point. So you draw a vertical line here. Then wherever it touches on that point, you produce a horizontal line to this side. So, and then, so you come here, so come to this point. So you take a measurement of 60 millimeters. So from here to here, 60 millimeters, from here to here will be 60 millimeters. So you cannot draw this line straight. It will not be okay. So it is not okay. So you take a measurement of 60 millimeters from here. Take a measurement of 60 millimeters from here. So this is 60. So this is 60 millimeters. So bring your T-square to this point and draw this line. So wherever it touches here, that's it. So as we have here, so we're almost done with the construction of the object. So the next thing is, you see this line. So this line goes inward. So you take your 45 degree set square, because that line is parallel to this line. So take your 45 degree set square. So put it at this point. Put it at this point and produce it inward like this. That's it. So we have done it. So we have completed the object. So what we need to do now is to bring out the visible outlines of the object. So I'm starting with this. So just look at the way I'm going to do it. Okay. Then I have this also. Okay, so now, so let's do this. Also, all right, so we are getting closer to the end. Okay, so we draw this line. Then we also draw this line, so we make it thick so that whoever sees it will know what we have done. Okay, then so we have this vertical line. So we also have this as a vertical line. So we also have it as this as vertical line. So we have this also as a vertical line. Then we have this as a vertical line. And then there's a vertical line here. This is also a vertical line. And this is also a vertical line. Then this line, we need to make it thick. Alright, so this is the object. So don't forget that this line is inclined at angle 45 degrees. So this angle is 45 degrees. So this is it. So this is the object. This is the object. So we are done with it. So the construction of an oblique object as simple as I've explained it here. What you need to do is to practice. So when you practice it continuously, consistently, you will master it. So thank you for listening. God bless you.